Morning. How are you? Fine. My dear children, what am I? What am I? Yes, you are right. I am your teacher. Now I am showing you some pictures. You see the picture? My dear children, you see the picture. Who is the man? This is a police. And this is a doctor. Yes, you are right. This is soldier. And this is teacher. And who is that man? Yes, you are right. They are farmers. Okay. My dear children, you see the format. ଏଥିରେ କ'ଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଦେଖ? I am dash. ମୁଁ କିଏ? ଏଠି ତମ ନାଁ ଲେଖିବ. ଓକେ? ତାପରେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଲାଇନ୍ ଦେଖ. I want to be a dash. ତମେ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ କ'ଣ ହେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ? ସେଠି ଲେଖିବ. I want to be a teacher, farmer, soldier, doctor, police. କ'ଣ ହେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ ସେଠି ଲେଖିବ. ହେଲା? What's about you? ତାପରେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଜଣକୁ ତମେ ପଚାରିବ ତମେ କ'ଣ ହେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ? ଓକେ? ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍. What you want to become in future? ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ହେବ? ତା ବିଷୟରେ ଏଠି ଲେଖା ହେବ. All of you said what you want to become in future. ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ ତମେ କ'ଣ ହେବ ତାହା ସମସ୍ତେ ତମେ କହିଲ. ନାଇଁ? ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍. Let's read a poem and see what the poet wants to be. କବି ଏଇ କବି କ'ଣ ହେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ ସେଇଟା ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିବା. I would like to be. Class 7. I would like to be. I would like to be a monkey and climb the tree so high, jumping from branch to branch till I reach the sky, playing and skipping all day long, dancing and eating too. I would like to be a monkey. What about you? I would like to be a tiger and roam the jungle deep, lying in sunlight all day long, warm and fast asleep, searching all night through. I would like to be a tiger. What about you? Okay? Have you listened? Okay, very good. What are the difficult words you found here? I would like to be a monkey. What? Poet wishes to be a monkey. Why? Because monkey likes to. Monkey is jumping from branch to branch. कवि काहींकी पिले मांकड़ हेबाकु चाहिचंती जानिछ? यस, से भल पांती. कौन भल पांती? मांकड़ जेमती दिन सारा ए गछरु से गछ, से डालरु ए डालकु डें डें. नहीं? आउ कौन करे से? आउ कौन करे? प्लेइंग एंड स्किपिंग ऑल डे लॉन्ग. दिन सारा से कौन करू थाए? प्लेइंग करू थाए, आउ स्किपिंग करू थाए. नहीं? डालरे स्किपिंग करे. Dancing and eating too. Dance करे आउ खाऊ थाए. बढ़िया बढ़िया पाचिला पाचिला फल से जंगल रो खाए. ए सब करू थाए दिन सारा. सेथि पे कवि चाहुचंती से मध्ये गोटे मंकी हेबे. वेरी गुड. तापरे आउ कोन हेबाकु चाहुचंती? Poet wants to be a tiger. Tiger कौन करे? Because tiger roams the jungle deep. Tiger roams the jungle deep. जंगल रे रहे. आ कौन करे? दिन सारा से जंगल रे बुलु थाए. Lying in sunlight all day long. दिन सारा दिन तमाम से सूर्यंक आलुओरे पड़ी थाए. Warm and fast asleep. ताकू जेतले उषुम उषुम लागे से fast asleep करी पकाए. नहीं? सोई पड़े. Searching all night through. दिन सारा से सनलाइट रे पड़ी थाए. आ रात्रि कौन करे? राति रे सर्च करे कौन सर्च करे यस से ता खाद्य खोजे सेथिपाई कवि पोएट वांट्स टू बी ए टाइगर व्हाट अबाउट यू तमे कौन हेबा को चाहो यस दिस इज द कॉम्प्रिहेंशन ऑफ द पोएम माय डियर चिल्ड्रन व्हाट आर द डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स you found here roam 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 means move around चारियाडे बुलिबा नेक्स्ट थ्रो THROUGH थ्रो भीतर दे माने जंगल भीतर दे कि टाइगर बुलु थाए सर्च SEARCH सर्च मीन्स खोजिबा राति सारा से खाद्य खोजे ऑल डे लॉन्ग दिन सारा से सूर्य किरण रे पड़ी रहे एस्लीप माने सोई पड़े सूर्य किरण रे ताकू उषम लगिले से सोई पड़े डीप जंगल मीन्स घंच अरण्य भितरे रहे लाइंग पड़ी रही थाए दिन सारा से सूर्य किरण रे पड़ी रही थाए ओके नाउ आई विल आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चन लुक इफ द चाइल्ड बिकम ए मंकी व्हेयर वुड इट क्लाइम जदि पिलाटा मंकी हबो ताहले से केउठारे चढ़िबो यस इट वुड क्लाइम द ट्री सो हाई इट वुड क्लाइम द ट्री सो हाई व्हेयर वुड इट जंप व्हेयर वुड इट वुड जंप फ्रॉम ब्रांच टू ब्रांच व्हाट वुड इट डू ऑल नाइट ऑल डे लॉन्ग it would play skip all day long if the child were a tiger where would it move about it would move about the deep jungle what would it do all day long it would lie in sunlight all day long when would it search for food it would search all night it would search for food all night MCQ question tick the correct alternative the child wishes to be a lion a tiger a monkey both a tiger and a monkey yes both a tiger and a monkey. A monkey dash, flies in the sky, dances in the river, swim in the sea, jumps from branch to branch of a tree. Which one is correct? This is a tiger roams, dash, the river, the forest, the cornfield, the sea beach. The forest. A tiger roams the forest. The child wishes to be a monkey or a tiger because dash. They have a lot to eat. They live in safe forest houses. They get air and water free. They lead a free life. Which one is correct? Yes, you are right, my dear children. This is right answer. They lead a free life. Provided below are some phrases from the poem. Put them under two heads. Monkey and the tiger. एठारे दुई जनकर कथा लिखा है टाइगर कौन करे एवं मंकी कौन करे तुमको टाइगर रो हेड रे मंकी रो हेड रे मंकी रो कथा लिखिबो टाइगर कौन करे टाइगर रो कथा लिखिबो ओके रोम इन द डीप जंगल हु फॉर whom these phrases yes this is for tiger dancing and eating yes monkey climb the tree for monkey lying in sunlight for tiger playing and skipping for monkey searching for food at night for tiger jumping from branch to branch monkey okay okay my dear children now you practice the poem at your home and do all the activity in your copy and book. See you in next class. Bye.